Of course, Mazda is a large and complex global entity. It's an enterprise that's existed for many, many years. And so it's probably not that much of a surprise for us that they're using Java pretty extensively. I thought it could be interesting also to look at sort of the other end of the spectrum. When we look at a completely different kind of business, a small startup, really just getting started, and how Java is able to help them. So please help me welcome Clement, who is a co-founder of Wavefront.
Thank you, George. Nice to see you.
Good to see you. Welcome. OK, so why don't you start off? Maybe some of the folks in the audience have not heard of Wavefront yet. Why don't you tell us a little bit about you and what you do?
Sure. So Wavefront is a 4-year-old startup in Palo Alto, California, that started with a vision that the best way to understand machines, software, and even people is through the power of metrics. And to that end, we have built a massively scalable time series database and a query engine on top of it that allows complex mathematical transformations done in real time. Our customers use Wavefront to detect downtime, to find anomalies, to identify root causes, and to discover solutions to their problems. We've had some amazing partners along that journey, and I can say it has been a blast so far.
Great. So why don't you tell us a little bit about the architecture?
Sure. So as a SaaS company, Wavefront runs a collection of microservices in the cloud, which collectively delivers a web-based UI for interacting with data. The core engine consists of data ingestion services fronted by collectors that takes in customer data from agents, proxies, and external sources. It also handles the planning and parsing of queries written in our unique time series language and executes them in a parallel streaming manner.
OK, great. So I think folks in the audience would love to hear why was Java a choice for you, and why did you choose it?
Sure, why Java? So we started with Java because of the maturity of the ecosystem, and which allows us to stand on the shoulder of giants as we develop the product. Our microservices are built on top of Dropwizard. We have dependency injection by Juice, Jackson, Jersey, RPC with Avro over Netty, HTTP serving with Jetty, Mustache. I mean, I could go on and on for the next 10 minutes, probably. But all of these libraries are mature, well-documented, battle-tested, which enabled us to write our product and develop our ideas instead of spending a lot of time to lay out the groundwork. We are also big fans of Yammer metrics and a lot of the libraries that are out there, such as Google Guava, Apache Commons, and probably a lot of the primitive collections libraries out there. The Java language itself, especially the innovations that we have seen in the last couple of years, have really enabled us to write code that's easier to read and also less error-prone. I never thought Java was a verbose language. I guess we all use IntelliJ at work. But I think with the introduction of lambdas, stream processing, and the default methods, just to name a few, has really enabled us to write code that is more elegant than ever before. On the JVM side of things, no doubt the massive investments and talent, which many are here today, is a major reason for why we chose Java in the first place.
OK, great. Well, thanks very much.
Thank you.
And best of luck.
Thank you.